how to update or change logo in Wix website. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can update or change your logo in Wix website. So this video is very easy and very straightforward to do. So you don't have to do any complex things. The first thing that you need to do is you need to log into Wix.com. And once when you do, you can see that you will be redirected here on this home page. And you can see there are a lot of features on this home page that you can use. For example, getting paid, home feature, events, sales, catalog, blog, apps, site and mobile app, inbox, customers and lead, marketing. You can also call it a dashboard if you want. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to click on edit site and open the website that you're working on right here. Now, if you want to add logo, what you can do is you can go here on add elements and then image. And here you can see logo option and you can go with custom logo. So this is the logo. You can add your own image and logo, design the logo the way you want. But that's completely up to you. But this is the first and foremost way of adding a logo. Let me just move this logo to the top right here because logos are always on the top of your website. So let's just go here and let's add it here, for example. No, let's just add it here. Okay, we can resize it. Here you go. So this is the first and the most easiest way to add a logo. However, let me just delete it. However, there's also another way that you can do. You can go here on search and type logo. And here you might have a logo maker. Here you go. And through this, you can make your own logo through the help of AI. It's going to ask you some questions. And when you answer those questions, it's going to generate a logo for you. So this is the second way to do it. So I hope you found this video informative. If you did, then please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. And one thing before I leave, I talked to you about both of these ways right here, but I'll prefer this one because this is the most easiest way to do. You can add your own picture in this custom logo right here, and that's it. Like that's how you have to do it. It's very simple and easy to do. So I hope it was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.